Final question. Bitcoin down about 16%, I think, for the month now, past month. We're at what, 102 now, 103, something like that. Where do you think we're going? I know you have big ambitions for Bitcoin.
Yes, we do. I will say one thing that has shifted for us in the last few years. Stablecoins are usurping part of the role that we thought Bitcoin would play. So our bullish forecast out there is 1.5 million by 2030. Given what's happening to stablecoins, which are serving emerging markets in a way that we thought Bitcoin would, I think we could take maybe $300,000 off of that bullish case just for stablecoins. So watch that space. Stablecoins are scaling here, I think, much faster than anyone would have expected.
So, Cathie, this is news because this is a different expectation. To the extent that stablecoins become an even larger part of the market, would you take that? Would you take the top number down even further? I mean, if stablecoins do become this, the sort of transaction currency of choice, if you will, how does that change the dynamic of Bitcoin being the sort of digital gold?
So I was holding all other things equal. Digital gold, if you look at what's happened to the gold market, we were saying digital gold could usurp half of that market, or at least become as big, become additive in some way. So that's the other dynamic at work here. And the other thing is institutions, this is a new asset class. Stablecoins are cash, they're dollars. Bitcoin is a global monetary system. It is the lead in a new asset class, and it's a technology all wrapped in one. So while I say $300,000, that would be holding gold constant, let's say. Gold has doubled here since we made that forecast. So again, there are puts and takes. I just wanted to highlight stablecoins because they are happening faster. They're scaling faster. I think emerging markets are huge in this regard, and we're starting to see institutions in the United States focused on new payment rails with stablecoins at the core. So very interesting movement. I think the whole space gets bigger. This is, a global monetary system really going digital without government oversight, very private. So it's a very big idea.
Yeah, that doesn't change your view of digital gold aspect of Bitcoin at all, and that's not even related to it. So maybe you had 1.2 million based on digital gold and another 300 from the transactional. So I think I understand what you're saying.
And institutions really have just dipped their toes into this space. Right. We have just started, so we have a long way to go.
You don't have to ensure, there's a lot of things that are better than gold about Bitcoin, and most of the most important things are the same. So it's either better or the same. So it could at least be half. It could at least be half of gold.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Okay.